night. So the storm finally came. Nice and dry under my awning. I just turned on the griddle to make some catfish. That's cool. We're nice and warm in here. Hear the thunder. The puppies are nice and warm. The puppies are warm.
Flies aren't getting wet.
Flies are still in here.
Flies aren't getting wet.
Oh yeah, they're not getting wet though. That's fine.
No wet. No
Watching TV. Tomorrow we head to Idaho for some off-grid camping for about 5 days. Today we're at a KOA, making sure we know how this thing works. Ooh, big thunder. Getting ready to make some catfish and some rice. There's the girls, nice and warm. Hey, Waxy. Hey, Scooby. Poor Scooby got skunked last night. She's better. Bye, puppies. Bye, Keith.
Hey, what are we doing?